This is the PL-89 Gematriatic Quantum Thought Calendar for the day of Shabbat, which is 26, it's not Shabbat now, because I don't record on Shabbat, but it's after Shabbat at night, but it's for today, which was Shabbat, the 26th day of Tishrei, 5786, and Saturday, October 18th, 2025, the Parsha Bereshis. The Daf is of Daf Yomi is in Tractates of Achim, page 34, I think today. Yeah, 33 was yesterday, so today it's 34. Gematriatic Thought Calendar is a theory of everything presented in mathematical form, in calendar form, and it's a lunar and solar calendar, having both the secular, the Gregorian calendar, and the Hebrew, the Jewish calendar, and now I've included even the Islamic calendar in one calendar. And today, on the lunar calendar, the Hebrew, we would be in this period called the 10-day twilight period. It's a period that's actually not on the calendar, and I've talked about it for all this time until now. I've mentioned it for the past few months, as this time period is always 3 months, based on a verse in the book of Exodus that talks about Moses being hid for 3 months. His mother hid him for 3 months. The verse says in Hebrew, "Vatitzpenehu shlosha yirachim." And that's what this is. It's 3 months of time, but the last 10 days of that 3-month period, which we are in right now, in this dispensation, which started on the 21st day of Tishrei, which was Hoshana Rabbah, that last 21 days of the Hebrew 3 months, which was Av, Elul, and Tishrei, is over here. So since we're talking about the 26th day of Tishrei, which was today, it would be in this box, this invisible box called 10-day twilight 6, and the coordinate would be F11. And on the solar calendar, we're on the 18th of October, and the coordinate for the box of 18th of October is F10, and the number in the box is 23. And the connection, this is an example of the gematriatic connection, how it should work, how it should go, is to find something that's 23 that has to do with today. Or the rule is that you can add 40s. It can be 23 or 63 or 103 or 143, etc. 183. 223, 2,023. So 23 is the connection is that on 10-day twilight 6, since 6 is 46, right? And the PL-89, the rule of 40 states that any number plus 40 is that same number. Not for quantity, because that wouldn't work. It's just for the information theory of it. So 6 is 46, is 86, is 126, is 166, etc. is 1,000,006. 2,000,006. So what's interesting is that on the solar, it's 23, and on the lunar, with the rule of 40, it's 46. So there's a very clear relationship there. 23 times 2 is 46. Another thing is that permutations are used, so 23 could be 023, 203, 320, 302. So any 6 of those permutations. And what's interesting is that we read Bereshit today, and the word bara is equal to 203. So that looks like that's 23 here. It's 203, but if you take the O and you put it in front, it's going to be 023, which is 23. And that's what I've got for the PL-89 for today.